my azalea alone. Hey, quit that. Quit that. Them things are not good for you. Now, you can have all the dead, whatever them mums you want. But quit that. Quit eating those plants. Quit. Quit. Don't do it. No, not yours. Not yours. Come on over here. Come on up here. Can you climb steps? Come on, climb up on the steps. Come on. Let's see if we can find some more. I don't see any more. I don't see any more. Huh? You want to go back up the house? Huh? Well, here's another tick. See if I can get that tick. You want me to get that tick? You want me to get that one? Huh? Buck, I'm going to let you eat that button if you want it. You really don't need that button. I sort of need that button. You like buttons, do you? Are you the button? That's what you are. You're the button buck. Bucky the button buck.